e-SupplyLink is celebrating 20 years. We've thought about what it means to be 20, since it has been a while since some of us were 20. But we'd like to think we still got it. We spend all day on our computers, keeping up with the speed of technology and integrating it more into our lives. We sip coffee all day long. It's not fancy coffee shops, but it's what certainly keeps us moving along in the week. We're a small company powered by entrepreneurial spirit. The status quo is not something that defines us, and we like to create something new and more efficient every chance we get. We're grateful to be celebrating 20 years, and we're grateful for our amazing supporters. Thank you, everyone, and stay tuned for exciting changes.